Welcome back to an episode of Bass Bros, and today we got Danny and I back out in the creeks. He already caught one, so it's gonna be looking like it's gonna be a good day here, and hopefully we can catch some more little creek chub. Stay tuned. It's really windy today. Otherwise we'd be on the kayaks right now. Oh yeah, oh, there's a bite, dang it. We have to do some exploring real quick. Walk over here. They're nipping at it. They're just too small to take it. I just got stuck on a rock. Got it out. Come on, fish, where you at? So since they don't want the little wax worm this time, I think I'm gonna have to start using real bait soon. But I'm gonna try the gulp worm here, see if they want a little night crawler. So I don't know what to do, but split that right there, and let's put this boy on. Let's see if that appeals to any of them. Let's do a little rig like that, have a little tail dangling, and good to go. Maybe it's the time of year we have to start using I didn't do that. Well, that's not good. I don't have any towels. Well, looks like I gotta dry it off with my pants. Can't have the reel break. How did I just drop it? What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me? And that might be the problem. Yes, finally, I got one. Yes, sir. Look at this. That is a big one. My first catch of the day, and might be my only because apparently these fish are gone. Oh my gosh. This wind is outrageous. He wanted the worm, so it was a good move to switch up to the worm. If I can get the hook out here.
No, I did not just do that.
Look at that nice chub there.
I did not just do it.
Boom. And see you later, buddy.
That actually.
Hoot. Alright. Dude, it's like a cliff here. Ooh, I see a fish. Oh, I'm about to fall, dude. It's about to like break on me. How they all just disappear. Alright, guys. Here we go. Yep. There's nothing there. Look, it's a little drain pipe that just like brings fish. I'm gonna catch one over there for sure.
Oh, there's light.
Oh, I just had one.
Get out the way.
I am out your way. There you go.
We got, okay. Calm down there. Dude, I finally caught him. What's his name?
Freddy?
Freddy! Maybe Freddy wasn't a bass. Maybe he was a creek chub, if I can even take that.
Well, Benny can't catch bass, but he can catch chub. This is his third one for the trip. I still only have one, so.
Oh,
there he goes.
Oh, yeah, there's one.
Dude, Danny's slaying them out here. Maybe I should just give him the GoPro.
Oh, okay. Hey, relax. Okay, there we go. Where is it? Hooked at?
In his mouth.
Oh, got him. Alright, here, let's see if he's trying to be calm. I can try to... Okay, relax. Okay, relax.
You just can't handle fish, can you?
I don't know how to.
Oh, there's his chub. You know, just let him go.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I feel bad for him. Sorry about that.
You just can't handle fish, can you? Hey, I actually see a fish. Hey, he bit it. Oh yes, I actually got one. No way. Look at that. I caught one, guys. Are you proud of me? It's been a struggle. It's been a struggle at the creek, not gonna lie. And there's a nice little buddy, number 2. See you later, man. Yeet.
Dropped him, but I caught him again.
Yep. Just said low power 18 times in there, so you probably didn't hear anything he said.
Maybe number 5.
Oh, I caught a stick. Let's go. New record, new record. Look, that's full of algae. That is disgusting. It looks like a boogers. It's disgusting. Ew, get away from me. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed that little creek video there. Danny was the man of the day here.
Catching 5 creek chub while he got 2, so.
Yeah, well, that's okay. I catch more bass.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're both back inside here, and I'm going to go this way so the light isn't glaring in our eyes.
Yeah.
But as you can tell, the wind noise just got horrible there, so we decided to do the outro in here. And yeah, I believe we said everything besides leave a fat thumbs up and stay tuned. Till next time on BassBros.